Hi guys, today we talk about Vivo S19 Pro. It's launched on 2024. The dimensions of Vivo S19 Pro: height 6.46 inch, width 2.95 inch, thickness is 7.6 mm, and the weight is 192 grams. The build of Vivo S19 Pro: front and back glass and aluminium frame. The display of Vivo S19 Pro: it comes with OLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size is 6.78 inches with 91.4% screen to body ratio. The resolution is 1260 by 2800 means 1.5K and the PPI density is 453. The refresh rate of Vivo S19 Pro, it's come with 120Hz refresh rate with 4500 nits peak of brightness. The screen protection is not available at this time. And the platform of Vivo S19 Pro, it's come with Android 14 operating system. The chipset is MediaTek Dimensity 9200 Plus and the CPU is octa-core Cortex-X3. The GPU of Vivo S19 Pro, it's come with Motorola G715 and the memory of Vivo S19 Pro, it's come with 8, 12 and 16 gigs of RAM and 256 by 12 gigs of ROM. No SD card support, no nano memory card support in this mobile. Let's talk about the camera of Vivo S19 Pro. It's come with triple camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 50 megapixel telephoto with 2x optical zoom, and it records 4K 60 fps video. The front camera is 50 megapixel and it also records 4K 30 fps video. The battery backup of Vivo S19 Pro, it comes with 5500 mAh battery with 80 watt fast wire charging, no wireless charging, and it's for reverse wired charging too. The commons and the features, it says Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, stereo speakers, infrared port, USB Type-C, NFC, UFS 4.0, fingerprint under display and IP68 dust and water resistant. The Vivo S19 Pro price is $499.